Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I am sharing a beautiful video which is related to feeding pigeon in town center. Here you can see this area is at the center of the town and it's a very busy area. And here you can see how pigeons are being fed by a man, and pigeons look so relaxed here. You can see the man who is feeding pigeons. We always see him here feeding them, either the weather is good or not. Even in a rough and cold weather we can find him here. Guys, in this video good few times you can see how pigeons are sitting on his hand, shoulder and head. Pigeons belong to the bird family named by Columbidae. These are stout-bodied birds with short necks. Mostly they eat seeds, fruits, plants and sometimes discarded food. As compared to other birds, pigeons are known as very docile, sweet and social creatures. Mostly they like to live in a large group. You can befriend a pigeon because they have powerful facial recognition abilities. Pigeons often enjoy being taken out of their enclosure and being held and petted, or riding on a favorite human's shoulder or head. And in this video you can see good few times that how pigeons are sitting on the man's hand, shoulder, head, and how comfortable and friendly they are with the man. Here you can see how gently the man is walking. Here another thing is noticeable, that the pigeons know the man's movement. Where does he goes, the pigeon follow him as well. If pigeon sees or feels something unusual or strange, they fly away. But don't worry, they are not going away. They will be landed on the top of the roof and wait for the man's call or gesture, and they will come back. The average lifespan of a pigeon is 6 years. The peak reproduction time is in spring or fall. Pigeons have a natural instinct to kill their babies that fall out of the nest. It is called scalping. The way man is feeding, it shows his love, care and affection towards the pigeon. As I said in the beginning, you can find him there every time, either weather is nice or not, it's snow or rain, he will be there to feed them.